If you're getting together with family for the holidays, a nurse has tips on how to celebrate safely with COVID cases surging again.
But first, were warning signs ignored? The Oakland County Prosecutor releases new evidence in the Oxford school shooting as she makes a case to keep Ethan Crumbley's parents behind bars. The prosecutor says James and Jennifer Crumbley knew their son was depressed, had watched violent videos of shootings and mutilated animals, but still bought him a gun.
The new court filing included these disturbing drawings, which we've heard about but haven't seen up till now. The pictures include drawings of a gun and a bullet. Grant Herms is live in Pontiac tonight at the Oakland County Jail, where the Crumbleys remain locked up. Grant?
Jason, Priya, as you said, the Crumbleys remain here tonight in the wake of that stunning new filing from Prosecutor Karen McDonald. McDonald says the Crumbleys ignored the well-being of their son, and she told the court today that they're a risk to run again. James and Jennifer Crumbley a fleeing risk for a second time. So says Oakland County Prosecutor Karen McDonald in a new filing. The Crumbleys trying to get their $500,000 bonds lowered to be released from jail. McDonald saying the couple is having money and marital problems, and after a 12-hour manhunt earlier this month, thinks the Crumbleys are at more of a flight risk, saying they will flee if given the opportunity. The Crumbleys' attorneys maintain they were always going to turn themselves into police, despite being found hiding in an empty warehouse in Detroit. McDonald also laying out her case against the parents in the unprecedented decision to charge them in connection with their son's alleged acts. The prosecutor telling the court they ignored clear signs their son was deeply depressed, including disturbing texts about his state of mind. He was torturing animals and had placed a jar with a baby bird's head in a school bathroom. And then there were these pictures, the ones that alarmed a teacher enough to have the Crumbleys called to the school. The accused shooter drawing bodies with gunshot wounds and blood, with phrases like "the thoughts won't stop, help me," "blood everywhere," and "the world is dead." Those images later scratched out, but still visible. McDonald saying the Crumbleys could have prevented the shooting, but willfully ignored warning signs, saying instead of paying attention to their son and getting him help, they bought him a gun. And McDonald told the court that she thinks these charges against the Crumbleys are appropriate, and she thinks there's a high probability for conviction here. The Crumbleys are asking that their bonds be lowered to $100,000. They've also volunteered toward tracking anklet monitors. They'll be back in court, Jason, on January 7th. Back to you.
Grandy, any insight into what this could all mean for the lawsuits that have been filed against the school district?
That remains to be seen, but there are certainly new evidence here that we haven't seen before, including those warning signs, the mutilated bird, the messages, the journals, and those drawings that it landed the Crumbleys and this accused shooter in the principal's office. Now, those cut against what the district has said in the past, that they didn't have any warning signs or any previous altercations with this accused shooter. So we'll see what happens as those cases go forward now that this has been filed.
Yeah.
Back to you.
A long way to go in this whole legal process for sure. We'll be watching it. Grant, thanks. We're also getting a chance to hear a 911 call alerting police to the whereabouts of James and Jennifer Crumbley after they failed to turn themselves in on the manslaughter charges.
Yeah, a man called late on the night of December 3rd and said he saw the Crumbleys in Detroit when he went to repark his car at his office.
The parents of the shooter that are running away, they're here. And there was a Kia that looked like their car. And I walked around and checked the license plate, and it's their car, and the woman is here next to the car.
We'll get units in that area, thank you.
Okay, I can't believe it. They're here.
You can listen to the 911 call and view the new evidence submitted by the prosecutor today. It's all at clickondetroit.com.